afternoon, everyone. రేవంత్ అన్న రాకపోతే, శ్రీధర్ బాబు రాకపోతే నాకు ఈ పని ఉంటుందన్నమాట. Nikhil, thank you for the government of Telangana for making sure that I am the superstar for this afternoon. It deserves a little more applause, guys. నడవని బాటను సృష్టించగా అడుగు అడుగున ప్రశ్నల దాడి కలలు నిజము చెయ్యగా కన్నీళ్ళే లొల్లి పెట్టుబడి కానీ ఓ యువశిల్పి పడి లేచిన ప్రతిసారి ప్రపంచం నీ ముందు తలవంచదా చేతిలో చిరుదీపం మదిలో మహాసంకల్పం పదండి ముందుకు పదండి తోసుకుపోదాం పోదాం పైపేకి అదే మన తొలి అడుగు అదే మన టై సంకల్పం. Good afternoon, Hyderabad. Good afternoon, Telangana. This is indeed my privilege to address all of you from my home turf. It is an absolute, been a stellar 1 year for me as the chairman of TiE Global Board of Trustees. First and foremost, from this podium, I would like to sincerely thank Rajesh Pagadala and Murli Kakarla. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for these two gentlemen. Not because they are TiE Hyderabad president and vice president, but because they have put Hyderabad at the forecenter, at the center and epicenter of everything what they are trying to do at the TiE Hyderabad. The name itself, the Hyderabad Entrepreneurship Summit, every year we are known to do TiE ISB Connect, TiEcons around the globe. But this is the first time ever a particular TiE Hyderabad chapter has taken city and said, we need to put city in the center, entrepreneurship, the city in the center, the innovators of the city in the center, the ecosystem builders of the city in the center, and hence Hyderabad Entrepreneurship Summit has come to you guys. That deserves a big round of applause from each and everyone in this room. It is an honor because this is in a vibrant city. This is a city where my TiE journey has grown. This is a city which has given me individually a shape. This is a city which has taught me innumerable lessons, whether it is to how to build a business or how to navigate bureaucracy. This is a vibrant city. This is a city which is not of chai or biryani, but this is a city which coexists with entrepreneurial heartbeat. My friends, hence we have T-Hub, hence we have T-Works, hence we have V-Hub. It is a city of entrepreneurial heartbeat. So a big round of applause for each and every one of you for making this city that vibrant city. This city is not a city of pearls. Hyderabad today is a fountainhead of disruptive energy, a launch pad for startups, and a proving ground for visionary leaders. It is only fitting that this particular summit is here in this middle of November and, trying to be part of each and everyone's pulse, where ideas shall take flight and impact will be engineered. This will be a year of collective leadership, and this year has been a year of global footprint for me. You have seen the video. You saw that we are 60 chapters. But my friends, let me inform you, today as I speak from this podium, we are in 68 chapters and 17 countries. That is what your son of the soil has been able to do in this last 10 months, increase the footprint of TiE Global. We have been a strength of collective energy across the Global Board of Trustees. We have ensured that leadership is of collaborative in nature. Because when we strengthen our chapters, we can empower our local leaders. This is how we fortify entire TiE global ecosystem. Nikhil was mentioning about how we are going to partner with the government of Telangana and TIE, I must tell you all, make sure that you all recollect the memories. In the month of March, I unveiled a bold vision for TIE Global. That is 1-10-100. About 1 million entrepreneurs, 10 million jobs, and $100 billion of economic activity. And as part and parcel of that 1-10-100 policy, we are signing an MOU with Government of Telangana under the aegis of TIE Hyderabad, so we can create an innumerable amount of jobs, 3 to 5 lakhs, innumerable amount of wealth, more than 50,000 crores of economic value will be tapped in the next 5 years. We will ensure that more than 500 SMEs will have the global impact. We will ensure that more than 5,000 crores of investment will be happening into these SMEs. So that is, my friend, power of TIE Global as a network. When the local entrepreneurs can tap into the global network, that is where, when we unravel the magic of entrepreneurship. We were ensuring that this year we have an expanded good global footprint, we have a stronger governance, we are focused on each and every individual chapter health, we are ensuring that each and every chapter is in good standing, we have ensured that there is structured engagement. Rajesh mentioned about the various global programs. I must tell you that Neetika is here, Rashida is here somewhere, TIE Women Program. We have more than 10,000 women entrepreneurs connected globally through our TIE Women Program. Today, as I stand before you, we have more than 256 universities that have signed an MOU and paid fees to be part of TIE Global's TIE U program, which is what the impact which TIE has created by enabling thousands of entrepreneurs across the board. Today, we have invested more than $50 billion of investments into startups across the world. We have more than 250,000 entrepreneurial network across 17 countries today. That, my friend, is the power of TIE. As I stand before you, we have 4,500 charter members who are willing to help you, who are willing to share their expertise, who are willing to, listen to you, who are willing to answer that 3 a.m. call, because, as Rajesh mentioned, entrepreneurial journey is lonely. When you are lonely, when you feel that you don't have anyone, when you cannot share the stories with your wives, with your kids, when you grapple with the pain that how are you going to pay your next month's salaries for your employees, remember only one thing: there is TIE, and there is a TIE charter member who can be there, who can give you that solace. So my friends, please take advantage of this global network. Our strategic priorities from the TIE Global are financial rigor, the trust building, and our goal is to increase the charter membership and the global membership by 15%. And my friends, let me just tell you that we are just getting started. We want our TIE Global's collective revenue to go from $20 million to $30 million very soon. This defining moment of Telangana's MOU is going to redefine how SMEs across the state would work. Not only this state, but across the states in India. We are signing an MOU with Startup India and Invest India to ensure that today's Bharat truly becomes Vikasit Bharat. Today's Bharat does shine a mirror to the entrepreneurial ecosystems across the world, because the small and medium enterprises are not just the segment of economy, they are the backbone of it. They are going to unlock the extremely new mentorship avenues, the market access. We are going to invest in the underserved markets. We are going to support first-generation entrepreneurs. As Telangana positions itself as an innovation-forward state, this partnership is a proof that a state and a global network can align and create jobs, capital, and prosperity. My friends, this is not just a paper MOU, but it is an MOU which will have the backing of 68 strong global chapters. This is where Thai women, Thai angels, Thai you will align with programs and make sure that Telangana's strategic priorities are built in a sustainable and scalable model. This is where the power of intent and how we work matters. At Thai, each and every charter member works with intent. We work with what we must do and how we do, and we just deliver that. In a book called Crucial Conversations, the author talks about creating a pool of shared meaning. This year has been that for me individually. It has always been about transparency. It is about honest collaborations and collective action. We are going to launch the Thai Impact Dashboard, and we will publish our first ever annual Global Impact Report very soon. As we speak, we are building on the cross-chapter mentorship models. We are building on the chapter champion ecosystem. We are building the inclusive governance framework, and we are also going to launch Thai Leadership Forum so that every chapter, big or small, has a voice and a platform. Let me be very clear to each and every entrepreneur in this room. Entrepreneurship is not a solitary sport. It is a relay race where we pass the baton from one generation to the next. Our generation and our job is to run our leg with purpose, with poise, and ensure we pass it on with pride. Our vision is very simple but bold: to make the Thai the most trusted global impact-driven network of entrepreneurs. And it starts with moments like this, the Hyderabad Entrepreneurship Summit, where the intent is codified into action and the collaboration becomes institutional. And this is where later in the day, when you see the MOUs across 20-odd organizations coming together in the Hyderabad Entrepreneurial Ecosystem Collective, HEEC, you are seeing that collaboration codified into action. Let me close with this. When an entrepreneur succeeds in Nizamabad or Warangal, I must add you that very soon we will be opening SME clusters in Warangal and Mahbubnagar. The ripple travels to Singapore, Boston, and yes, Silicon Valley. When an SME scales in Telangana, the job it creates, the innovation it sparks, and the inspiration it provides redefines what is possible for an entire generation. I am requesting each and everyone in this room that this particular summit, let it be the signal to the world that we, the entrepreneurs of Hyderabad, the government of Telangana, the mentors and investors of Hyderabad ecosystem are ready to rise together. Let us remember, legacy is not built in years. It is built in the intent, in action, and in the lives we transform. My request, together, let us build that legacy. Putta yedo sigguto kaadu, poratamto puttinavanni. Padam aduguku nela digedaaka, parvataలను ఎక్కే తలుపుల వాణ్ణి. కాలం వెనక పోను, నేనంటే ముందుకు దూసుకెళ్లే గమ్యం వాణ్ణి. ఇది ఒక వ్యాపారి కథ కాదు, ఇది ఒక అంత ప్రేరణ గాథ. జై హింద్, జై తెలంగాణ, జై థాయ్.